shadow of the olive tree, night whispers low. Silver pieces clink, a price for truth nobody knows. Dark temptations whisper, Judas, where will you go? In the garden of Gethsemane, tears start to flow. Oh Judas, what have you done? Betrayed the one who loved you, the chosen son. In your heart was a storm, now the battle's won. But the price of your choice, like the setting sun. Walk the winding road where whispered secrets lie. 30 pieces glitter, but the cost is nigh. Innocence for silver, you sold with a sigh. In your eyes were shadows, not a single why. Sand slips through the hourglass as a rooster crows. Darkness wraps you tighter as your treachery shows. Can't escape the echoes where the regret grows. In the silent night, it's betrayal you chose. Oh Judas, what have you done? Betrayed the one who loved you, the chosen son. In your heart was a storm, now the battle's won. But the price of your choice, like the setting sun. Please now find your peace, but the pieces scattered far. Truth may heal the wound that feels the deepest scar. Walk towards the dawn under Bethlehem's star. His forgiveness lingers, though you're far too far. Please now find your peace, but the pieces scattered far. Truth may heal the wound that feels the deepest scar. Walk towards the dawn under Bethlehem's star. His forgiveness lingers, though you're far too far.